Hello friends, welcome to DDR Academy. In this video I am discussing respiration. It is a third vital sign. I have also included the important questions at the end of the session, so watch until the end of the video to check how much you gained from this topic. Also subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications. What is respiration? It is the act of breathing, or it is a process of taking in oxygen and giving out carbon dioxide. So respiration is the mechanism by which the gas is exchanged between the atmosphere and the blood and the cells. Respiration involves ventilation, diffusion and perfusion. Ventilation is the movement of gases in and out of lungs, that is inspiration and expiration. Diffusion is the movement of gases between alveoli and red blood cells. Perfusion is the process of oxygenated blood being delivered to tissues in the body. Physiological control of respiration. Respiration is controlled by respiratory centers in the brain called medulla oblongata and pons. Ventilation in the body is regulated by level of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the arterial blood. And the most important gas which triggers the respiratory center is increased carbon dioxide level in blood. Respiratory centers in brain and the chemoreceptors respond to these changes, and the respiratory centers send impulses to increase the respiratory rate and depth. With this, more oxygen is taken up by lungs and carbon dioxide is exhaled. As soon as the oxygen is consumed by the cells, carbon dioxide produces and the cycle continues. Regarding the mechanics of breathing, it involves inspiration and expiration. So breathing is passive and inspiration is an active process. During inspiration, the respiratory center sends impulses along the phrenic nerve, causing contraction of the diaphragm, and it causes the thoracic cavity to expand with the movement of air inside the lungs. During normal breath, a person inhales 500 ml of air, which is known as the tidal volume. During expiration, there is expelling of air outside the lungs, and it is a passive process. In this, the diaphragm gets relaxed and the abdominal organs return to original position. Next is the characteristics of respiration. It includes the rate, depth, rhythm and easiness of breath. So respiratory rate is the number of times the client took breath in a minute. One breath includes both inspiration and expiration, and the normal respiratory rate in an adult is 16 to 20 breaths per minute. Next is the respiratory depth. It is the amount of air inhaled and exhaled during a respiratory cycle. It is also termed as tidal volume. Normal adult has a tidal volume of 500 ml. So it can be of two types, that is deep breath and shallow breath. If there is large volume of air inhaled and exhaled that is greater than 500 ml, it is known as deep breath, and shallow breath is the minimum volume of air inhaled and exhaled. Rhythm, it determines the regularity in each respiratory cycle. It could be regular or irregular. In normal respiration, the rhythm is regular. Next is easiness or effort. It is the amount of effort a client must exert during respiration, or it is the sound of breathing. Normally, breathing does not require effort and breathing is silent. Next, let us discuss the factors affecting respiration. First is age. As the age advances, the respiratory rate decreases, and at birth the respiratory rate is 30 to 60 breaths per minute, and the normal respiratory rate for adult is 16 to 20 breaths per minute. Other factors include exercise. With exercise and strenuous activities, the respiration gets increased to fulfill the oxygen requirement of the body. Next is emotions like anger and anxiety. Respiratory rate increases with the activation of the sympathetic nervous system. Smoking. Chronic smoking brings changes in the respiratory tract and alter the normal respiratory rate of the client. Body posture. A straight posture enhances the chest expansion, whereas lying flat prevented. So that is why we provide Fowler's position to client experiencing difficulty in breathing. Medications. Some of the medications decreases the respiratory rate while others increases the respiratory rate. The medications like opioids, general anesthesia, sedatives, narcotics decreases the respiratory rate, and the stimulatory drugs like caffeine stimulate the respiratory centers and thus respiration is increased. Neurological injury. Any injury, trauma that impairs the brainstem inhibits the respiratory rate and rhythm. Acute pain. The pain changes the rate and rhythm, and client takes shallow breath to avoid pain. Disease conditions. Most of the disease conditions increases the respiratory rate. Example, decreased hemoglobin level, that is in case of anemia, it reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood and increases the respiratory rate. High altitude. Content of oxygen is very low at a high altitude, and so increased demand for oxygen by the tissues must be met by an increased respiratory rate. So these are the factors affecting respiration. So as I told you earlier, let us discuss some of the questions related to this topic. We have uploaded videos regarding questions asked in competitive examinations. Support us by subscribing the channel. So let us discuss some of the questions in connection with this topic. First question is, respiratory center is located in options: pneumotaxic center, medulla oblongata, alveoli, apneustic center. And the right answer is medulla oblongata. Second question, the amount of air a person takes in during normal restful breathing is called. Options: dead space, tidal volume, vital capacity, ventilation rate. Right answer is tidal volume. Next question, an increase in DASH will stimulate the peripheral chemoreceptors to initiate respiration. Options: PO2, PCO2, HCO3, hemoglobin. Right answer is PCO2. Normal respiratory rate at birth is 16 to 20 breaths per minute, 20 to 30 breaths per minute, 25 to 35 breaths per minute, 30 to 60 breaths per minute. Right answer is 30 to 60 breaths per minute. So thank you. Subscribe the channel and press the bell button to get the notifications.